This is such a hot day. I feel like eating an ice cream.
Well, I can make some ice cream for you.
It's gonna take so long.
I can do it in less than 10 minutes with my farm fresh milk.
Yay, let's do it.
Let's check what's inside. Ooh, let's free milk.
Oh, chocolate milk, my favorite.
But today we are going to use this natural fresh milk to make the ice cream.
Oh, let's do it. I can't wait.
The things that we need is a big Ziplock bag, a small Ziplock bag, 4 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 bowl of ice, sprinkles, and chocolate rice. And the most important thing is
200 ml of farm fresh, natural fresh milk.
Let me pour in the 200 ml of fresh milk.
Let me pour the sugar and the vanilla essence.
Okay, I'm going to stir it now.
Do slowly, like
Beating the eggs. Then I'm going to pour in this mixture into the small Ziplock bag.
cool.
Okay, now I'm going to zip it all up. Next, I'm going to pour in the big bowl of ice, some salt, and then I'll put in this and zip it all up.
Wow. And now you put it there.
Time to zip it all up.
Go. There you go. Oh my. Wait, that's the zipper?
Now I'm gonna shake it for 5 minutes.
5 minutes is up. Is the ice cream ready?
Of course, look.
Wow. You show me. Let me decorate it.
Okay.
Oh, no. Let me decorate it. Let me decorate. It's time to decorate! Let's add some sprinkles. Yes, I wish it was.
I'll add some chocolate chips.
Give me this. It's time to eat.